Welcome to my 2009 Yamaha R6 project bike video. In this video I will be showing you all the performance parts installed in my bike. All the parts will be written in the description below. DB holders, race fairings. Ohlins TTX rear shock. Vortex V2 rear sets. Translogic quickshifter and auto blipper. GB racing engine covers. Lightech frame sliders. Vortex brake rotors. Carbon fiber brake caliper cooling duct. Ohlins 20mm valve kit and spring kit. Lightech brake adjuster. Graves clip-ons. GPR Stabilizer. Jet prime kill switch. STARLANE DAVINCI-II S- and lap timer. Brembo master cylinder. GB racing engine covers and Moto D oil plug. Lightech frame sliders. Yoshimura full exhaust system. DB holder seat foam. Tech spec tank grips. M4 gas cap. Thank you for watching. I see you in the next video.